Mars is a red desert planet. All the time, it is one of the key targets of human exploration. Because the surface environment on Mars is not harsh, it even has a thin atmosphere. And there are passages of ice at the poles of Mars. At the same time, Mars is like our Earth. They both have tilt angles. This means that in the future, if humans can modify the Martian environment, then it will definitely become the first choice for colonial planet. Speaking of colonizing Mars, we have to mention Elon Musk. In previous years, started his Mars immigration plan and claimed that in the future, a fleet of 1,000 starships will be built. Each ship carries 100 people, 1 million to Mars by 2050. However, and as exciting as this idea may sound, but the possibility of realization, extensive discussion, and questioning. So, in 2050, can Martian colonization really happen? Actually, Musk's Mars immigration plan faces many challenges. To know how to travel from Earth to Mars, it's not always available. He had a launch window. It only occurs about once every 26 months. That means sending 1 million people to Mars. It takes 1,000 starships to launch simultaneously and repeat 10 times. And this is in technology. It's a huge challenge in terms of resources. In addition to that, humans also face many problems in surviving on Mars. The gravity of Mars is only 38% of that of Earth. This has implications for human health. Significant impact. Humans have lived in a low-gravity environment for a long time. Will cause muscle atrophy, health problems such as bone loss. And the radiation on Mars is much higher than that on Earth. If humans are exposed to high radiation for a long time, will increase the risk of cancer. Although Musk claims that shielding can be built to reduce radiation, but this would significantly increase the launch cost, and it's being built on Mars. The living environment is also another major challenge. Although Musk suggested they built glass domes in the early days. But know this, build a building capable of providing 1 million live on base. The project is huge, almost impossible with current technology. In addition to the living environment exists, growing food on Mars is also a huge challenge. Question: because the Martian soil contains toxic chemicals. Although Musk suggested plant cultivation by hydroponics, but provide 1 million people with the food they need every day, it takes a lot of resources. If it is replenished by the Earth, it also requires a significant capital cost. Therefore, Musk's vision for Martian colonization, full of ambition. But achieving these goals poses many challenges. From technical barriers to health risks, every problem needs to be addressed. Broken solution. This also means that sending 1 million people to Mars by 2050, almost a distant dream. It is expected that only manned landings will be possible at most by Mars for a short stay. But the horse skis fire. Although the star immigration plan is difficult to achieve in 2050, but there's no denying it. His efforts have promoted the pace of human exploration of space. I believe that in the next 100 years, with the continuous development of technology, humans will be able to colonize Mars.